In this video, I'm going to show you how to screenshot on a Windows 10 device. So I'm going to show you how to screenshot on a laptop and a PC. So let's get started. This is very easy to do, and the only thing you have to do is you have to go down till you see this Windows logo and go to the search bar, and then you want to type in snipping tool. And what this will do is you can screenshot things on your screen. So you can hit new, and as you can see, I can select the area I want to make a screenshot from. So let's say I want to do this. This is the picture, and when it's not right, I can hit new again, and then select this. So you can even change the size, or you can change if you want it on another screen. You can just select the certain part you want to screenshot. So it doesn't make does something like this from the top of your screen to the bottom of your screen, but you can just select the area you want. If this video helped you out to take a screenshot, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.